Welcome back to Adventures in Retrobright. Today we're going to do some submersion Retrobright. We're going to put some things inside Retrobright liquid and we'll make it happen. So let's start it. Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do submersion Retrobright. For that I'm going to use this nice joystick that I just assembled a few minutes ago and just the plastics. So I'm going to show you how to do the mixture. Okay, to the mixture it's very easy. We got 3% peroxide, we got oxy, and then we got a place to put our peroxide and our item. The item has to fit inside nicely and neatly, and we're going to fill it out. So I put the joystick I'm going to retrobrite, and I just pour peroxide on it until it fills it. I think I'm going to need another one. I got a second peroxide box. Just got to make sure that this may try to float. So I'm going to fill it out. That's it. More than enough. Then I'm going to take my oxy. I'm going to put a couple, maybe 3 teaspoons to 3 teaspoons, and then I'm just going to mix. And that's it. I'm going to take it to the sun and I'm going to leave it on the sun for a while. And here we are. It's beginning to foam. We're just going to leave it over here for a few hours. Foam it. Mix it a little bit. I'll come back in a few minutes and it's going to be foaming more. Here we go. We have foam and hopefully less noise from the airplanes. And this is going to stay like this for a few hours. I'll be coming back every 20 minutes or 40 minutes to check it. Just take it out of the water with some gloves and see, not water, the mixture, and see how is it going, and then continue, mix it a little bit, but I expect it to come back within a few hours. It's been about 40 minutes and I'm going to check it out right now. Really foaming now. Let's see how it's going. It's still yellow. Still yellow. So I'm going to leave it a lot more time. Making sure that it's all the way in and it doesn't float. It is still foaming. A lot of foam. Let's check it again. Oh, it's beginning to look better. This part is a little bit better, but still have a lot over here. So I'm gonna move it around. Let's see if it gets more UV rays over here. And hopefully we'll do it faster. Well, we're back. It's been about 2 hours now. And I gotta check out how's it going. And now it's getting there. If you can see, most of the color is back to the original. Even the stem is already a good color. I'm gonna rinse it in water and I'll be back. I just rinsed it in water. And here they are. It's looking really good. I think I'm gonna just leave it. It's still slightly yellow. I'm gonna put it back again. You can see this is really getting gray the way it used to be, and this is getting also into the gray color. It's slightly yellow still. I think the stem is done. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it for a few minutes more, but we're getting there real fast. And again, it has to be covered. I'm gonna move it a little bit. And I'll come back later. Well, a southern storm forced me to take out everything, and I couldn't tape the last part of the retrobrighting. So I had to take them out until I waited for the shower to end, and now I'm just putting them here to dry, but they already are ready. There's no green here. They're in great shape, and I'm going to put it together in a little while. There's a joystick. Beautiful. And just to compare, I'm going to put an old one next to it. There you go. That's the result of submerging Retrobright. See you next time. And finally, here's the result.